somebody's touched on some things right over here.
Do you have any events or anything that we need to have any knowledge of, or where we trying to pop it out or something?
I have an event coming up in March, but I'm not supposed to know about it, so I can't say nothing. You know about it. I'm not supposed to know about that one, so I can't put that one on the table. But we're also planning some other things. But I would like for us to tonight plan an event. Let's go and get started. We can plan an event. I got what's the day coming? I think we could use the Mosaic Temple. But then look at this big area in there. You know, we might be able to use that to put on an event. But I'm saying we need an event to where we can give some of these young men and women some opportunities to be a part of, and give them some titles in it to become this, and we could even give them out some awards. Some young people awards to make them feel like it's really,
Right.
by showing up today. And I mean, we went to this meeting and we helped them fold paper. I'm just talking now. We helped them fold papers. Oh, I was with him, and we went over and we helped do this here, and give them some reasons to want, say they can, maybe get some awards, maybe win some music time. They can win some other things, So let's put something together where we can start moving it. And then I had a young lady that mentioned about going into the schools over there, and we have that. We have a school-based mentor thing right here that, we can also kind of get with her, and these names on here, these are just your movement right here.
Right.
That's what this is for. That's what these signed up for, to do the school. And I'm gonna do all of it. It don't matter wherever I need to show up and put mine in. I'm planning on being there.
No, but I speak. I know I'm gonna speak for the street and entertainment.
Okay.
My vision of that is, to have, it's getting warm, so to have an event, I would say a park. And it's enough of us in here, it's enough people in here, to put together and feed. When you feed people, they're gonna come.
Mm-hmm.
They'll play their music, whatever they need for us to draw these people here, and then speak. People need to hear truth. People need to hear real testimonies. Like we was in church, we had testimony service. This ain't church. It's come as you are. It's come how you want to be, and speak. Plant that seed in them, and let them eat and speak, and have some local, people come perform, and let them see that local rappers, local whatever, and come and be in a park and feed them and speak. I want to speak. Other people who've been through things that I'm trying life to speak, and just plant that seed in them, and God gonna do the rest. I believe it. But if we ain't doing nothing around, like they have a lot of stop the violence program, but it don't be people speaking.